Hello, children. Today, Teacher Mandy is going to do the Bible story for assembly. And the story that I have chosen is one of my favorite stories, and that's the story of Jonah and the whale. Now, in this story, Jonah was disobedient. He didn't listen to God, and he was swallowed by a whale. But he did remember one thing, and that was when he's in trouble, call on God, pray to God. And he prayed to God, God heard him, and even though he'd been disobedient, God still came to his rescue. And we need to remember that at any time we can pray to God. God is always there for us. God will always take care of us. God loves us. And even when we're sometimes disobedient, it never stops God from loving us. Just remember to always pray. So I hope you enjoy the story.
Hello, my name is Tubby. I live here in this wonderful library and I love to eat books. I live here with my friends Gumbo and Freckles. Gumbo, Freckles, come out, wherever you are. Over there, on that great book, is Grand Old Holy. She is really old and wise and tells us wonderful stories when she is awake, that is. Oh, and we love to sing.
I got the joy down in my heart. Where down in my heart? Where down in my heart? I got the joy down in my heart. Where down in my heart to stay?
Holy, what is today's story about?
Today's story is about how a fish saved Jonah and spit him out.
What? A fish spit him out? Stop it, Tubby. Just listen to the story.
Okay, children. A long time ago, God had given a man called Jonah a job to do. Instead of listening to God, Jonah set off in another direction. Suddenly, there was a dangerous storm and the waves were running very high. The boat was tossing and turning in the middle of the sea. Everyone on the boat was really scared. They did not know what to do. They tried to lighten the boat by throwing stuff overboard, but it did not help. They asked Jonah to pray to his God to rescue them. Jonah, in his heart, knew that it was because of him that the lives of others were in danger. He told his fellow sailors,
"Throw me into the water!"
Jonah knew that God was with him and he would rescue Jonah. The sailors tried hard to row to the shore, but they were very tired and could not row any longer. Praying for forgiveness to God, they threw Jonah into the water. To everyone's amazement, the sea stopped raging at once. God heard Jonah's prayers and sent a huge fish to rescue him. Jonah was inside the belly of the fish for 3 days and 3 nights. Jonah prayed to God for help from inside the fish's belly. God spoke to the fish. When the time came and it was safe for Jonah to come out into the world, the fish spit him out. And now, here is a question for you. What did Jonah do when he was inside the fish's belly?
I think he ate up the fish from inside. No, silly. He prayed to God so that God would rescue him.
Oh, you're absolutely right, Gumbo.
I got the joy down in my heart. Where down in my heart? Where down in my heart? I got the joy
The Holy Tales.
I got God's joy down in my heart. Down in my heart, I got joy down in my heart. Down in my heart today. I got that peace down in my heart. Down in my heart. Down in my heart, I got that peace, 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 peace down in my heart. Down in my heart today. I got the love, 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 love down in my heart. Down in my heart today. I got the love, 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 love down in my heart. Down in my heart today. Hello, Jesus. Thank you for protecting us and loving us. And thank you for saving John and the whale's tummy. Amen.